Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is April 9th, 2026, and it's how I made a little under $900. I think it was like 850 something. But either way, I took one L, one W on the day. The first L could have been easily avoidable, and I'm going to show you how. And then the second L, the second win, first win, second trade was a trailer. I took partials here. I could have held it for more. I took my first contract off here, and then I was holding it all the way down. Either way, going into the day, on the 1 hour, I don't know why it always brings me back when I do this. We opened up right around here. So obviously on the 1 hour, we are trending down. All the liquidity is down here. We have a trend line liquidity set up right here with these three lows. Not to mention, we have this big gap that still needs to be filled, which we still didn't fill. And it's definitely going to get filled in the future. And I thought it was going to get filled today, but it didn't. Either way, the shorts played out. But yeah, this gap, we're nowhere near, nowhere near halfway, nowhere near 0.618. So we're going to come back and retrace for sure. Either way, the 1 hour was bearish. The 4 hour was bearish. We had a CISD to the downside. So going into the day, I just wanted to see manipulation higher and then obviously an inverse lower. So as soon as market opened at 8:30, we had manipulation to the upside and we left the wick and we had a 1 minute inverse as well as a 1 minute CISD. After this 1 minute CISD, I entered and then we came down here. I initially went break even. The executions are not here. If you want to see the executions, they're on my story. But I went break even. It took me out at break even. And then on ES, we actually made equal highs. So ES made equal highs with London, and I just thought we would reject off of that and leave that for later liquidity. And NQ obviously started bouncing around this range, and we had to wait to the downside, so I re-entered after breaking even, and then it stopped me out for around minus 2.2 across all my accounts, 2.2K. And then as soon as it stopped me out, obviously, of course, it stopped me out. And then as soon as it stopped me out, we had a 2 minute inverse, which I re-entered off of. And then I took my first partials down here. And then I was trailing my second contract all the way down. And then eventually I put the trailer, yeah, on these highs right here. So when it came down, I put it here and it stopped me out right here. So I made around 3K on that one. So around 800 positive trade. Should have been a 3K a day, but I didn't take this. I should have waited for ES to actually take out the highs before going lower. Regardless, still not that bad of a day. I thought we would keep shooting down. Apparently not. We went up. But CPI is tomorrow, so that'll be a nice recap.